All right, happy homeowners. Man, I had to come back over here to Corona. We just finished up, maybe a couple of hours ago, this Brazilian cherry hardwood floor. We started Monday. I think Dante did a video. I think the video was sideways. But, you know, the Brazilian cherry, it's just, you know, it's an orangey red floor, and it's beautiful if that's what you want. You know, they were hoping to go lighter, but they just really didn't want that orangey red. They wanted to get away from that. So we ended up staining it a brown. Then we added some gray. It's a top secret color. I can't share it with you, but it turned out beautiful, man. Look, check this out. Hey, look at that. Honestly, the videos don't do it justice. But it's a nice brownish gray. Look at that. Oh man. It hides all the orange. It's not overpowering. I mean, it looks like a freaking piece of furniture now. Woo! They are ready to move in. And this was a really good high-end engineered flooring. It had that bevel, that groove in between each board, which ends up filling up with dirt eventually. We were able to sand all of that out, so it's just one tabletop smooth floor now. But I'm excited for them to move in. Whew. All right, on to the next one. Any questions? Reach out to us. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors? Let us know. Thanks, guys.